Welcome, today in front of me OUKITEL OKT1 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X icon changer on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application because we should get the X icon changer app from the Play Store. So here in the search pool enter the X icon changer and now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that we just should open the app here. And now just we can select one from these available applications on our device. For example, let's just use the phone app. Just click here. We can rename the app if you want. I don't want to do that. And here we can find, okay, we can see, I think we just should turn on auto rotate screen here. And I'll show you. Here we have just a library with the different just folders with the icons. You know, if you wanna, you can use them, or you can use your device photo from your device gallery, previously taken photos or downloaded, for example, from the internet, or you can use the camera app right now just to take a picture and to use it on your icon. For example, I'll go with this one. Oh, this is looks like the phone icon. After that, just tap here to OK on the right upper corner. Just let's wait a couple of seconds and skip the adverts. Tap to X and tap add automatically to home screen. Now we can change the next icon by the same way or just go to the desktop. So just here select the application, just rename if you want to do that, just change the icon and tap to OK. And let's go here to our home screen, and now we can see here the new screen, and this is our just default application icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.